Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you for clicking onto this video. This is my first bullet journal. These stickers are from Paper Chase for £1.50, and the notebook and these calendar tabs are from The Works, so altogether it costed me £3.50, very cheap. I didn't really want to go for the overly artsy and craftsy style, only because I would feel like I would put too much effort into making it and not really using the bullet journal for its primary purpose. I also did not go for the stereotypical layout of having a monthly overview, then weekly and a daily, only because I spend most of my time in school. There would be no need, it's unnecessary. But now thinking about it, sometimes I just want to write a little bit about my day, but I can't do that with the layout that I'm going for. I'm just trying to experiment and find my own way with bullet journals. Here I'm drawing two graphs which show how many hours of sleep I get and how many cups of water I drink each day, only because I've become more wary and cautious of my own physical being. And here's the money bit. I haven't really used it so far, maybe because I'm spending all of it. 2020 resolutions. So the ones on the left are more of economic and school resolutions, whereas those on the right are got to do with self-care, self-improvement, mental well-being. Again, I'm changing the layout. Instead of having like a little box in the corner for a monthly doodle, I think it was, I changed it into how many cups of water I drank a day graph. And here is the overview of my bullet journal. Here's the initial layout where the days of the month would go sideways, and going downwards would have my goals and habits that I want to input into my life. Now this graph is just a representation of how many hours of sleep I get a day, and this one's just how many cups of water I drink each day. And then the layout changes, where going across this time are basically the goals and the habits, and downwards are the days of the month. Instead of having a graph showing how many cups of water I drink a day, I just decided to go for numbers instead. It saves space and it means that I can doodle on the sides on the rest of the page. Here's my monies page, very inaccurate, I don't know what I was doing. And then books that I need to read and weekly reflections. They're mainly for A-level English literature. And then at the back I have achievements that I've achieved so far, even though this bullet journal is supposed to be for 2020, but we move.